Did you know that carrots promote healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, helps in weight management and regulate blood pressure? Oh yes, come with us as we prepare carrot-like soup with chicken wings and fufu for you today. These are all the ingredients needed for today's recipe. They are onion, chili pepper, carrots, garlic and ginger, natural spices, tomatoes, shrimp tablets, tomato paste, salt, lemon, chicken wings, cassava and plantain. All our ingredients are set for today's recipe. Let's do this. We pour water onto the chicken wings and cut into our preferable sizes. We cut the lemon into two, squeeze the water onto the chicken wings and wash thoroughly into another pot. We pour the water out, pour back the chicken into the pot again, cut another lemon into two, shake it, add water to wash and put it back into the cooking pot. We now wash the earthenware bowl and begin to grind the garlic and ginger. We now light up the fire and put pieces of wood into it to set up. We add the natural spices and grind together. After grinding, we add the chicken wings to the pot on fire and slice onions into the earthenware bowl to grind. After grinding, we add it to the chicken wings, add salt, stir together and cover to boil. We pour water onto the carrots, onions and chili pepper, wash very well, clean the carrots and cut into smaller sizes and wash into a bowl. We wash again and add to the boiling chicken on fire, add water and cover to boil. We now begin to peel the cassava and plantain. We pour water onto the peeled cassava and plantain, wash thoroughly, put into a pot and cover it. We now take out the tomatoes and pepper for blending. We sieve the blended tomatoes and pepper into a bowl. Sieve it again onto the chicken wings on fire and take out the carrots and onions for blending. After blending, we add the tomato paste and shrimp tablets and pour the blended carrots and ginger onto it. Add water, stir, add a little salt and cover to boil. We put the peeled cassava and plantain on fire, pour water onto it, cover with a plantain leaf and a lid and leave it to boil. We check on the soup, it's boiling beautifully. We stir and cover halfway to boil. We We check on the cassava and plantain. It's ready. We take it off the coal pot fire and strain the water out from it. We pour the cassava and plantain into a bowl and pound the cassava first to clean the mortar and start to pound the plantain first, followed by the cassava. We check on the soup as it keeps boiling beautifully. We take the pounded plantain out from the mortar into the earthenware bowl and set it aside. We now begin with the pounding of the cassava. Thank you for joining us. If today happens to be the first time you are watching us, you are warmly welcome. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments for more. After the cassava is well mixed together, we add the pounded plantain and pound to mix. God bless you all our subscribers. You are the reason why we keep posting. The love is deep. Keep supporting. We now pound it gently and serve it out from the mortar into a bowl and an earthenware bowl. Sumptuous pounded fufu is now ready for serving. We stir the carrot soup and begin to serve onto the fufu. If you haven't tried this recipe yet, I bet you are missing a lot. Kindly try this at home and thank me later. Pray and begin to enjoy. We are ready for action. Join us if you can. God bless the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us where you are watching us from so we serve you right at your doorstep. If you just chanced on this video right now, you are welcome. Kindly share this video, subscribe, and leave your comments for more. Thank you for coming. This food is so sumptuous. I wish you can join us. Tell us what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in our next video. It's Cook with Regina.